Now, now last tutorial, we have set up our file, the main.py file, and install Python and the SQLite database and the SQLite. So in this tutorial, we are going to see how we can customize the root and also add button and the remove button and how to add buttons in general. So like you can see this did, and if you don't remember what does this code does, it simply imports the tkintel library and add the title and last name. If you leave on it, like you can see, uh, it's like you can see return, and I can just close it and I can just stop. So let's see how to set a width and height. So in order to do that, we call the rule dot geometry, and here we pass it to the thing nation. So for, for example, I'm going to just say 600 over 500 x. And if we now run it, let's see, we have this cool big container, which is what we will need. They can just stop running this project from here. It got it returned an error because I stopped it here from here, but you don't need to worry about it. Now what we need to do is create a button. In order to create a button, we need to create a variable. Call it, for example, button, because we will have multiple buttons, I think we can just say add underscore. If I can spell button correctly, and then I can just say equal to, and I'm going to say it will be equal to be a button. Then inside of it, there's a lot of things that we need to pass it. So, for example, the master, which is the window that we needed to appeal in. So the master will be, then we need to create a text. We need a text like on the button. So there's a parameter called text, which we are going to pass it a string of the title of the button. So new, I wanted to say new item. For example, I can just say new item. And the other other things, like there's like a lot of other things like the border with the command thing, all the things this, but we don't need to do anything of this kind here. We just need to pass it the command, and the command here, we will pass it a function, which will be the function that happens when you click it. So in order to do that, we need to create a function, and Python, you don't say function blah, 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 like in JavaScript, but we will do that. So there, now I can pass it something. For example, I'm going to pass it a name for the function which we are going to call it. So will be add underscore function little. And to let inside this, we can add this, this. If you in JavaScript, we will add the cool bracket, a curly bracket here. There's no bracket in Python. It is just that this and indent which we'll type into. And of course, we need like in JavaScript to pass it the bracket. So if you want to like pass it a parameter, you can pass it from here. Then here we will share the code for the function. Now I'm just going to make it a path. In path means that nothing will really happen here. And now I can call this add function inside the command. So command equal to be add function. So add this call function, and this is how we call it. But we will need to remove this curly bracket since if we add it, we just be learn when we learn the app. Okay. So now we added this, and I like to pass it like some space around it. Like you can see, even the editor or Python like it a little bit when we pass some space on. And now, if you learn it, nothing will appear because we need to change the button. In order to do that, I'm going to call the add button variable, and we need to take it. You can use change or something else called, if you use path, this will be a path in the function. For now, we can like pass something, but we won't be passing path anything. This should call it. If you learn it, so like you can see, this new item, and this is what we want. But what if we wanted to be placed here, calendar? And this when the place comes in play. So say this place, like you see, if you hover up a bit, it has a lot of things that it got. So the x equal to be now the 0 and the y uh, and the comma, then y also be here to stop the application and relearn it. You can see now the new item button is light over here, and of course you can change the coordinates as you wish. Now, until now it's working and it is all okay. But when you click it, nothing really happens since we passed we didn't do anything inside the function. For now, I just wanted to give me a sign that it is working. And to do that, I'm just going to make it print in the terminal that it is being clicked. And in order to do that, we are going to delete or comment out this path that let's say print and pass it the value that you want. So I'm going to see say new item button is being so like you can see if you use Python, so it will collect the autocomplete English which is blank. So new item button is being now if you learn it again. And if I can show you the terminal, like return and return to this and click on new item. Like you can see new item button is being clicked and you can click it a million of times and it will keep printing this out. Since nothing else I faster to happen this, it will just keep learning this flip. So like you can see. Now after the add button is finished, this will be other thing that we will need to do. But if you want, you can like add a play with it. For example, if you want to change some file, for example, the border width, if you want it to be 0, you can set it to 0 now. Like you can see the border width is 0, which I think is better. Like you can see, so you can like play with it. So in the next couple of minutes of the video, I will be just telling it with you and telling you what I am doing. So, uh, so for example, what else can we pass it here? So, we can like pass it a, for example, we can pass it a BG, for example. So I'm going to pass it a BG and just say, for example, lead. Now it should turn lead. So like you can see now, it is lead because I passed it lead. But I think lead won't be a good fit. So going to the second be a green color, then I think you're just going X a color. The highlight color, I think the highlight color would be good. Now, don't remember what is the highlight color. But but let's just set it white selection and title none. So no. I think this highlight button is not this. I want to share the color, change the colors. Like you can see there's a lot of things, for example, the underline, the text variable, the text, the state, for example. So for example, you can just set a state to be disabled if you have a state to be disabled. Um, Done it now, it is disabled, like you can see here. But uh, we are going to keep it active since we don't want to disable it. And for now, it is like this, which is okay. But let's say on, I think normal is the best. I think active means when you click this active thing. So little. Now you can of course change the color, change other things that you want. Like you can see. Here you can play with other things and learn if you want to learn new things. For example, I like I want if you want the cursor with normal graphic, normal. I just open something, but what? Yeah, normal. I think I think it's not normal. So I think that's open the dots liquidly. You can see this. So, for example, I don't see any cursor here. So, so you can just play with it, but I don't know what is the cursor thing. But now I think this is a good thing, but I would like some. Then how we have a light green color. No. Yeah, we have a light green color and I just prefer this light green color and this is how you make a button and pass it a function in Python. See you soon and don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, I'm going to leave below a link to the GitHub repository for this. See you soon. Goodbye.